Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. This is Yash. Today we are going to be talking about how to create an ERC721A NFT collection. We are going to use NFT export for getting some dummy NFT images and metadata, and then we will be deploying the collection using Thirdweb. And in the future following video, I hope to create a simple front end for our NFT collection as well. As you can see, we have used decent animations as well. This has been done using the framer motion. Let's get started. So the first step is obviously going to nftexport.io so that we can get a collection of NFTs. We can click on this demo collection. Next step would be to give a description. This is a test NFT collection, something like this. Rest can be left as blank. Click on next step. So as you can see, we have a collection of 100 NFTs. This should be enough for our demo. Now let's click on next step. Enter your email address and then you will get a download screen. I have already downloaded it, so I am not going to download this again. So after your download has been finished, you can extract the file, and these are the two folders that you will be getting. We'll have 100 images, and for those 100 images we'll also have the metadata. Next step is to register on Thirdweb if you have not already, or else log into it. So here we are. You can click on start building. By the way, the website is thirdweb.com. Click on next. Connect your wallet. I am using MetaMask. Enter your password. Now we can go and click on this deploy new contract. We are going to go ahead with NFT drop. As you can see, this is the ERC721A standard. All we have to do is click on deploy now. Select a name for your collection. I am gonna call it POTS NFT. The symbol is going to be PNT. And the description like so. You can change the recipient address as well. By default, it takes your MetaMask address. For now, we'll be deploying this to Mumbai Matic, or let's keep it to Gorilli. Click on deploy now. You'll have to confirm the MetaMask notification.
A few moments later.
As you can see, the contract has been successfully deployed. Now that we have our NFT collection ready, we also have our smart contract address. Next thing what we have to do is go into NFTs. Click on batch upload. And then we need to drag our file, the metadata and images folder, inside of this. So as you can see, the NFT image and metadata has been uploaded. Just go through the collection once, check all the data, and then click on next. We have two options over here, reveal upon mint and delayed reveal. For simplicity purposes, we'll keep reveal upon mint. And then we'll also click on shuffle the order of NFTs before uploading. And then upload 100 NFTs. We'll wait for the MetaMask pop-up. Let's confirm this. And our collection has been uploaded. We have a total supply of 100 and 100 is unclaimed supply. Now the next step that we have to do is go into claim conditions. Click on add initial claim. We'll start by giving today's date and time, which is correct. How much do you want to charge? So for NFT's price should be 0.001. Let's keep this. We'll keep this on any wallet. How many NFTs can be claimed per wallet? Let's limit this to 5 per wallet. So in this case, we only have 100. And the currency that we are using is Gorilla, so ETH. That's correct. Let's go and save this claim phase. Now let's confirm. Our claim phase has been saved. Now that our NFT collection is ready for the mint, in the following video, we'll be going ahead and creating a next app. We'll use Next.js, we'll use Tailwind for styling, and then Framer Motion for some animations like we saw. This is going to be the build. Hopefully you will enjoy that video as well. Do subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified about the next video. This is Yash signing off. Hope to see you in the next one.